Hello there, my name is Dana Jean Antonelli. I'm a certified etiquette consultant. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In this channel, I talk about manners, modern etiquette, self-development, and anything else that can help you become the best version of yourself. Now, if you've been here before, I'm very happy to welcome you back. So for today's video, we will be going over 8 signs that show a person has class. So let's get to it. Number 1, people with class have respect for others. They are kind, they're considerate. It doesn't matter of your social background, your religion, your beliefs. They treat people, all kinds, equally, and they show empathy and understanding towards other people's perspectives. Number 2, people with class have good manners. Now, they know how to practice their etiquette in different social situations. They say their please, their thank yous, they hold the door for others, and just overall being kind and considerate towards everyone. Number 3, they have excellent communication. Now, they communicate effectively, they listen attentively, and they use their words carefully. They avoid using offensive and derogatory language, as it's really not a good look. Number 4, they are humble and they are gracious. People with class, they accept their compliments graciously. They don't boast, they're not arrogant. They oftentimes actually would downplay their achievements. And I've actually noticed this with so many people who I think have class and are really successful entrepreneurs. Every time I've talked to them about their achievements, they kind of just downplay it. Oh, thank you so much. They don't allow big achievements and such to get into their head and blow it out. Number 5, they dress appropriately. I talk about this over and over and over again. You probably think I'm a broken record at this point, but people with class know how to dress depending on different situations. So whether it's running errands, formal wear, they dress appropriately based on the occasion. Number 6, people with class are always punctual. Again, I talk about punctuality and arriving on time and time again. These are actually my top 2s, dressing appropriately and arriving on time. My top 2s for you. People with class respect other people's times and schedules, and so they never want to keep people waiting. Number 7, they are calm under pressure. I know it's so easy for everyone to get hyped and get stressed in stressful situations, but people with class tend to just stay calm, stay cool, stay collected, and try to figure out what the issue is on hand. And lastly, number 8, they are generous and they are kind. People with class oftentimes would donate their time and their money, sometimes both, but it's not all about financial. They would donate their time towards a worthy cause, really showing that they are down to do the dirty work. And they show kindness and compassion to those in need to help better the community. And there you have it, 8 signs that show a person has class, and something that honestly you can work on today if you want to be more classy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.